Yo, what is up, my gamers? It's me, Superman61999 here, and today we'll be throwing this microwave off the roof. Yeah, off the roof. But here's the catch. So I got these special boom boom rocks called Uranus and plutonium. What? So yeah, but the seller did tell me that this stuff is used to make bombs. What? And other wicked stuff. No. He also said that it's not a toy to be played with, and I shouldn't do anything stupid with it. So let's throw the stuff in the microwave and see what happens. Alright, so I got this baby filled to the brim with our special boom boom rocks and running. And I see it's starting to glow on our screen. It must mean it's cooking now, yeah. Now, for the moment you've been waiting for, it's time to... Oh damn, this is pretty damn heavy. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna throw this thing off in 3, 2, 1. Huh. Well, that sucked.